By April 2031, you will not apply for jobs, you will deploy agents. You will not search the web, you will dispatch tasks. The encryption protecting your bank account today will be illegal to use, replaced by mathematics specifically built to survive an attack from a quantum computer. 5 years is enough time to create extreme wealth for those who position themselves correctly today. It is also exactly long enough for the people who do nothing to wonder what happened to the world they thought they understood. You do not need a crystal ball to see where this is going. We can map the immediate future by tracking the specific trends occurring in research labs today that the general public has not yet noticed. The first inflection point arrives in 2027. By that year, AI agents will handle the majority of routine online tasks, bookings, research, and email triage. For the first time, the web will be a place where machines, not humans, represent the majority of traffic. This shift creates an existential crisis for the current advertising model. Why pay for a banner ad when the buyer is an agent that doesn't see it? Attention is no longer the primary currency of the internet. It is replaced by a payment-per-action economy. Companies will charge agents directly for verified outcomes, leads delivered, bookings made, or transactions completed. For workers in the attention economy, this is a tectonic shift. But for you, it means gaining a personal assistant smarter than any chief of staff that has ever lived, negotiating your bills and managing your travel automatically. In 2028, quantum computing transitions from a research curiosity into an industrial tool. Drug discovery cycles and material science breakthroughs that used to take a decade will be measured in months, not years. But this computing power also matures the harvest now, decrypt later threat. Data that was intercepted and stored years ago becomes legible, exposing bank records and diplomatic communications to whoever has the quantum capacity to crack the keys. This forces the largest cryptographic migration in history. Governments will mandate post-quantum standards for critical infrastructure, requiring every major corporation to abandon legacy math for systems that can withstand quantum attacks. This unhyped infrastructure project will be the defining technical challenge of the year. Companies that didn't start preparing years earlier will face audit failures, regulatory penalties, and massive data breaches as their old security layers fall away. By 2029, embodied AI moves into the workplace in meaningful numbers. Humanoid robots will start appearing in logistics, construction, and food service, driven by the convergence of general intelligence models and specialized robotics chips. The economic trigger is simple. The cost of an hour of robot labor drops below the cost of an hour of human manual labor. For many industries, this is the point where the robotic workforce becomes the default option. This creates a massive hiring boom for robotics technicians, well-paid blue-collar roles focused on teaching, deploying, and repairing the new fleet. While the first wave of AI automation hit knowledge work, this second wave hits physical labor. It will alter everything from where factories are built to how our cities are designed to accommodate autonomous delivery and service. By 2030, the century-old model of a 4-year university is no longer the primary place people learn. Universities will survive as centers for networking and credentialing, but the actual acquisition of knowledge has moved elsewhere. AI tutors have removed the classroom drag that forces students to learn at the pace of the average. With personalized one-on-one tutoring available to anyone with an internet connection, students in developing economies can reach the same academic standards as those in the wealthiest cities. Because AI identifies and fills knowledge gaps instantly, the time required to master a specific professional stack has collapsed. The traditional 4-year filter is being replaced by the 4-month sprint, where hiring is based on demonstrated work and AI-augmented portfolios rather than tenure. Companies that figure out how to evaluate this real-time output will capture the talent. Those that keep filtering strictly by school name will find themselves unable to compete for the fastest-growing pool of human capital. By 2031, the world runs on 3 intertwined systems: agentic AI doing the work, quantum computing doing the math, and embodied AI doing the physical action. This creates a fragmented regulatory landscape. As AI agents become indistinguishable from humans online, governments are forced to implement mandatory digital identity laws, biometric anchors that prove you are real in a world of code. The stakes escalate as autonomous agents begin making high-speed financial trades and infrastructure decisions. When these systems cause cross-border financial shocks or systemic failures, the conversation shifts from simple liability to national security. Once AI capabilities pose a threat to regional stability, the safety warnings that were ignored in 2024 become the basis for international law. We will see mandatory UN treaties and international compute caps designed to determine what scale of AI is legally permitted to exist. The gap between those who learned to ride this wave and those who froze will be the largest economic divide in our lifetime. The industrial age middle class is being replaced by a class built on AI literacy and judgment. To navigate this, follow the 4-part playbook. 1. Learn to design and supervise AI agents in your specific domain. 2. Diversify your professional identity so you aren't tied to a single replaceable title. 3. Build basic quantum literacy. You don't need to be a physicist, but you need to understand how the new standards for encryption will protect your money and your data. 4. Cultivate deep, unreplaceable human relationships. In a world of automated scale, the only asset that cannot be replicated is genuine intimacy and trusted community. This transition does not require genius, but it does require consistency. Learn weekly, ship monthly, adjust as the data changes. The doors are open right now. Position yourself before the shift becomes permanent. I'll see you in the next one.